it's a bittersweet day today. It's the final drive of Sandy before she heads off to the new owner. Obviously the new been sold and new owner lives in Queensland, so it's going to become a banana bender. So those of you who live in Queensland, you'll be able to see Sandy running around. But yeah, I mean, it was actually a bit of a farewell tour today, so I've made a few stops. Obviously, yeah, going down on the other side of Melbourne, you sort of try and bank up a whole heap of stops at once. And yeah, it's, whilst I've built the car in the shed at home, builds like these don't happen without great support, and so I managed to actually catch up with a lot of people that have helped along with the build as well. So first of all, went to Max Performance. They were able to sort out this cruise control issue, ready for the new owner pretty quickly, so I was pretty happy with that. So big shout out to Zane and Lindsay down there, and yeah, thanks for the support on that and getting the tune right and everything like that. Then I stopped in at Penrite, picked up some more oil, ready for the EH, because I'm about up to the point of putting the engine in and wanting to get that fired up shortly in that. So yeah, obviously Sandy runs on Penrite, so it's a bit of a farewell tour for her this thing. And then I stopped in and saw the boys at LCS. Now Laurie wasn't there today, but that's all right. Saw the rest of the boys, and obviously Laurie was instrumental in getting this engineered. Whilst I built it at home, it's his connections really helped me out with the engineering side of it all to make sure it was all legal and everything like that. So big shout out to Laurie and the boys at LCS, thank you. And then we made a stop at Four Drive Shed and picked up some parts and that for the 200, which we'll be working on tomorrow. And then the final stop was to go and meet the boys, Adrian and Brendan and Russ from Car Builders. Obviously I run a lot of Car Builders stuff on the car, so it's the first time they've actually seen it. And yeah, they actually did a little video on the under bonnet protection that I've got. Yeah, so it was good to meet those guys. And yeah, whilst I'm not sponsored or affiliated with Car Builders at all, it was just nice to put names to faces and whatnot. And yeah, they were pretty impressed with the car as well. So I think wherever it goes, it always turns heads. So I think the new owner he's either going to enjoy that or he's going to hate that. But yeah, it certainly attracts attention wherever it goes. So anyway, heading home now. It's been a big day, but yeah, as I said, it was a bit of a farewell tour, to be honest. So yeah, it was good to just for one last time just show around all the businesses and all the products and everything like that have been used on the car, and the people that have helped get it to this point. It was nice to be able to just sort of visit everything again before it goes to the new owner. So anyway, that'll about wrap that up. Now I'm just about to hit Melbourne traffic, which is all fun always, but lucky I've got an auto, so it's not too bad. So anyway, as a final sign off for I guess the Project Sandy build, big thank you, big shout out to everyone who supported the channel and supported the build throughout the process. And yeah, on to the next build, which is the EH. So stick around, that's going to be a really cool build. And then from there, well then, I've got a few things in the pipeline. So stick around and catch you next time.